Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm making embellishments out of scraps. It is for the tall flowers swap over at Ginger's Corner, and I've got these sunflower dies from Stampin' Up. They are well retired, but I kept them because I love them and they can be used as a standalone die without the stamp set, which is a bonus. So I have here on my desk some yellow scraps, some brown scraps. So the yellow scraps are for the base of the sunflower. The solid brown ones I have there are for the top of the sunflower, which is a really detailed bit that goes over the yellow bit. And then I have the brown one with the pink polka dots. That is for the center of the sunflowers. And then I have two greens there, and they are for the leaves. I can't decide which of the greens I want to use for the leaves. In the end, I realized that that small green chevron paper is not enough, because I decided that I wanted to put 4 leaves behind each sunflower. So I'm making 6 sunflowers, and that little bit of green is definitely not big enough. I only need 4 sunflowers for the swap, but I always make extras for me, because if I'm going to the trouble of making these embellishments, then I like to have some in my stash as well, so that I can use them on projects. If you want to join our swaps, then head over to Ginger's group, Ginger's Corner it's called, and I will have a link below for the group. And we do weekly swaps, and you swap only in your country. So there's a swap for the ladies in the US, there's a swap for ladies in Europe, and I'm in Australia, so there's a swap for Australia and New Zealand. So you're not having to post internationally, you're just posting within your own region. And it's amazing, everyone's different take on the theme. So even though, you know, I have this large sunflower die, I can guarantee you no one's going to send me the same embellishment. Everyone has something different, and there's so many options out there. So don't ever think that, oh no, I'm going to get, you know, all the same embellishments back. You're not. You're going to get a really huge variety. Also in the link below, sorry, in the description box below, I'll have a link to the playlist, because there's quite a lot of us who do this weekly hop where we make the embellishments for the swap and show you what we make. And we do it for inspiration. So if you are in the swaps or thinking about the swaps and you don't know what to do, then there's lots of videos of ladies making embellishments to give you loads of ideas so that you can join in on the swaps. All right, so here I am just gluing one together. I've glued all the others together, and I'm just showing you how I glued them. I did use a fine tip glue pen, and yes, I got glue everywhere. Only after I glued them all together did I realize that I had those adhesive sheets that I could have run through when I die cut them. Would have made it much easier, but I didn't remember that I had them, so I did it the hard way. The one in the top left corner you can see is a little bit shinier. I put glossy accents on that because even though this glue dries clear, you can still see it on the sunflower. It's like shinier. So I thought, well, if I cover them all in glossy accents, then I'm going to cover up that bit, and it's not going to be affected. And you're not going to see where all my messy glue oozed out. So yes, I did end up with really, really glue fingers, but I tried several things. I tried using the glue on a sponge and sponging it onto the back of the die cut, and I still made a mess with that. I was going to use my Xyron sticker maker, which someone reminded me of the other day in another video. They used it, but the sunflowers were too big for that. So I tried a different glue. I tried the normal green glue, the mono glue that I always use, and that was not fine enough. So I went back to the fine tip glue pen and just had to deal with the sticky fingers. But anyway, it is what it is, and I think they turned out really cool. So I just glued the top bit of the leaves to the base of the leaves, and then glued the center on, and then covered them all in glossy accents. So it was loads of fun, and yeah, really messy, but hey, that's half the fun. So if you want to join these swaps, like I said, there's a link below. If I get my words out, there's a link below for the group, so jump in and join in the swaps. And in the group we have lots of different challenges and stuff as well, so it's always something going on, lots of games and lots of fun. So I'm just using my mono glue here to glue the center on and then the leaves on the back. So I love these sunflowers, how they came out, and it didn't take me that long. Like, I decided to do them after dinner. I don't know, maybe it took me an hour to do them. The longest part was all the die cutting, so you know. But anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.